CRV.
No doors.
See if you get pulled over.
Crap, they just dropped it. No doors. We're doing Jeep life.
Jeep life. CRV Jeep life.
No speedometer. We're just go as fast as we want.
So we get there, get back.
Yeah, we have no headlights either, so we gotta make sure we get there.
Or turn signals.
Or turn signals.
Up front. Just the front.
Up
Back
front.
Still work. The brake lights still work.
Well, we know how to use our hands. You know how to do the bike, right?
Yeah.
Driving by the sheriff.
Don't worry about that.
See?
Don't worry about that, Sheriff.
So what do you do with a CRV that's been rolled? Before you take the engine out?
We gotta jump it, drive it.
Drive it? We don't care about nothing but the engine.
Yeah, as long as we don't kill the engine. I don't even care about the transmission.
Oh, yeah, it's
Unless you want
automatic.
an automatic all-wheel drive transmission, I have one for you. It runs good. It shifts good.
Oh yeah, it's freaking smooth, man.
Yeah, it is. It like really is. It like drives so good. It's sad it like got so destroyed.
Sunroof open?
It did, but you took my switch whenever I took it all apart.
Oh, oops. Oh, this is that exhaust leak. Jeez.
Dude, it's like cracked. It's like bent when they flipped it. When they flipped it over, they like ripped it out.
Well, hopefully nobody steals anything from us.
Well, it made it. So that's good.
Yeah. Can you take a video of the outside? All right, we're at the store. There's our safety. That's it. All right, we're done at the store.
Got our groceries.
You got our groceries. You got to head home before it gets dark.
Oh, dude,
No power steering.
Forgot to fill it up.
Crap! I forgot starting fluid.
Oh, I got oil.
You got oil?
Yeah.
I should go right in there and get starting fluid, huh?
People have to take a double look. It's hilarious. Somebody just drive around to look at it again. Let's see what these people gotta say. Those guys thought that was hilarious. You should see their face. Oh shoot. That dude's reaction was so funny. He drove past. He went over there in the white car. It was hilarious. I didn't have the camera on. Dang it.
How am I putting the seatbelt on? If we die, we die.
Yep.
Can we record?
It's on.
Oh, it's recording.
Dude, it was so funny. People were like, what is this?
You know what? This would be a good camera car for like. That guy was straight up staring too.
That's what I've been trying to catch the faces. It was so funny. I just point it to the side. We drive by this. See if he sees. See if he looks.
Oh, that guy just pointed. I don't think I got a good video of it. Do you see him like pick up with this camera or whatever? Man, I'm a terrible freaking without video recorder guy, whatever. It's kind of nice, dude. I can just put some air up my pants. Who's that?
My neighbor.
My neighbor?
Malloy. She lives back. Dude, it really just drives great.
It drives great, dude.
That's the funniest part about this thing.
Dude, this would be so much fun just to make it do like a life, like a almost like a homemade CRV, not CRV, side by side UTV.
Like give it the lift and then put off-road tires on it, like small knobby tires.
Hey, look, CRV.
Hey guys, it's a little windy. A few days have passed. I returned the other broken clutch. I ordered a new one off of Amazon, and we are here. We have it. We are going to install it, air up the tires again, and see if this new clutch with the little bit of slack chain will run. Alright, time of reckoning. Hudson's going to sit in the big seat, so hopefully I'll push him a little closer. Or does that make it harder now? You can't touch the pedals. You sure? Okay, well he's way lighter than me. We're going to see if this clutch will go. And yeah, he's going to take a test run, break it in for us. Aired up tire, that one's still bust. Need to replace the valve core, now it's stuck in there, blah blah blah. We'll have to just get to it. So let's get it started up, warm it up, and see if this new clutch will let her rip. Okay, steer out that way. Still smoking. Okay, drive. Definitely still smoking though. Okay. Well, the clutch slipped backwards on the Allens and dropped the key. Drop the chain. It's still smoking. I don't think it's getting as hot as it last time, but it's still pretty stinking hot. We're gonna slide it back, see if I can get it to drive. Let's try it out! Super bouncy. So there you have it. It runs and drives, and it is extremely bouncy. Really bouncy. Whew. We're about to go take that on the street.